Hello, this is part 3. So, March 18 na tayo, na? Tuloy lang natin. March 18. Laundry work done during the week amounted to 16,000, of which 14,000 was received in cash and 2,000 was owed to the business by Hotel 121. So, pareho din dito yan sa March 11. Naka-receive ng cash, so increase in asset cash. Magkano? 14,000 received in cash, so debit cash. Then, utang yung iba, di ba? Accounts receivable, Hotel 101. Hindi natin yung customer. 121 pala. Magkano? Owed daw eh. Utang nila ay 2,000. Then credit, as usual, services income. Excuse me. 16,000. Balance. Explanation to record cash sale and account sale. Pwede ilagay din to Hotel 121. Okay, save ko lang ha. March 18. Sunod, March 19, wages paid for the week amounted to 6,000. So, nagbayad na naman ng sweldo. Oops. March 19. Ano? Ang account? Expense account, salaries, di ba? $6,000. And cash. Nagbayad ng cash eh. So, decrease in asset. Credit. To record. Wages na lang ulit. Paid. For the week. Weekly ang sweldohan nila. No? Okay. Save. Sunod, March 20. One half of the liability to ABC Company on March 8 was paid. O, pinanggit naman yung March 8. Magkano yun? Ito. ABC Company terms 30,000. Balance na 20,000 payable in 3 months. So, kalahati lang binayaran. O, kalahati ng 20,000 is 10,000. March 20. So, binayaran yung payable. Diba? I-reduce natin yung payable account na accounts payable. O, paano i-reduce ang payable? Debit. So, debit accounts payable. Ito yan eh. Diba yan ha? 20,000 ABC Company. Kalahati lang daw binayaran. So, 10,000. Nalagay ko na yung credit amount. Credit, cash. Kasi nagbayad ka eh. Decrease in asset cash. to record payment of 1/2 of liability to ABC Company. Okay? May utang pa siyang 10,000. Siguro, later yung babayaran. March 20 and March 25, laundry work done during the week amounted to 15,000, of which 14,000 was received in cash and 1,000 was owed to the business by Sobad Hotel. Kung mag-analyze kasi nito, no? Yung work done, earned income na yan, 15,000. Ano ang distribution niya? Meron. Kung cash yan lahat, 15,000, debit cash. Kaso may utang, di ba? Inutang nila yung 1,000. Ba't kaya nagtitira pa? No? Tinapos, no? So, March 25 na tayo. March 25. So, meron tayong debit sa cash uli. Di ba? Magkano? 14,000 received in cash. So, debit sa cash. 14,000. May isa pang debit, di ba? Yung receivable account na accounts receivable. Kanino yan? Sobad Hotel. Hindi Sogo. So good. Hotel. 1,000. Utang nila yan. Then, ang credit, kasi services, di ba? Services income 15,000. To record cash sale and account sale. To Sobad Hotel. Pangit ng pangalan. Mali yata. Baka walang pumuntang customer. Last, March 26, wages paid for the week amounted to 6,000. So, same. Expense account, salaries, expense. 6,000. Credit, cash, di ba? Decrease in asset cash, 6,000. To record payment of wages for the week. Yan. Makompletohin natin para pare-pareho. Okay. Save ko lang para nasi-save. Ngayon, pag nag-e-enter kayo, no? Di ba kasi halos manual naman ito eh. Una nyo i-check or itong amount kung balance. Double check yan. Debit and credit kasi nga, di ba? Dapat equal ang debit sa credits. Accounting equation yon. Excuse me. 16, 10, 15, 6,000. So, okay lahat yung amount. Dito, at least, pwede mong tignan yung mga spelling. So, yan muna.